WestConnex as a whole is a gigantic infrastructure undertaking for which we couldn't deliver in Sydney alone without the help of calling on the entire state. In particular, the Hunter region has come to the fore.
It's been great. We've had the opportunity to show or highlight the products we do for WestConnex. So what we've been able to show everyone today is the facility and as well as the finished products that we actually deliver to WestConnex. So it's been a great opportunity.
We are in full swing on the new M5. There's action aplenty everywhere, whether it's on site or whether it's in the precast facilities or whether it's in our fabrication yards such as DSI. Everyone's working at their full potential.
The products we typically supply are called CT bolts, and they're designed to provide a 100-year design life for the tunnel opening. So it's the product that go into the roof to reinforce the roof to help the stability to ultimately hold the tunnel open. You won't see them because the tunnels will have liners in them, but behind the liners in the roof, so behind the lights and everything that goes in the roof, will literally be these products helping support the roof and making the tunnel safe. Last year we ended up, from a revenue perspective, sold $10 million worth of these products to WestConnex. It's about 150,000 bolts effectively, and the bolts vary in different lengths from say 3 metres to literally 6 metres long. So that's a lot of product going into those tunnels, a lot of steel, all Australian made. I mean, obviously just to produce that quantity of product we've needed more people. So we've added 20 additional permanent employees on in that time. So, you know, we're 150 before that, so now 170. So it's a substantial increase in numbers. So yeah, we attract a lot of people from the local area, but more broader afield as well, but very much all Hunter based.
Companies such as DSI, without them, we wouldn't be able to deliver this project.